In this video, we're going to look at the common names of some common structures. Let's see the first one here, a benzene with C double bond O, OH, that is benzoic acid. And the next one is benzene with CHO, it is benzaldehyde. So benzoic acid and benzaldehyde. Next comes benzene with C double bond CH3. This is known as acetophenone. And the next one is purine. It's the common structure of purine. Moving on, we have here is phenol, benzene with OH. Then we have three structures with NH2, OCH3, and CH3. Now what are their names? The first one is aniline, benzene with NH2, and anisole, OCH3, toluene, just CH3. Moving on to the next structures, CH2 double bond CH2 and with 2 OH, and the name is styrene. First one is styrene, CH2 double bond CH2, and the second one is catechol. The next structure we have is with 3 NO2 and 1 OH. So the name of this structure would be picric acid. It is commonly known as picric acid. Now here we have 2 rings, 3 rings, and again 3 rings arranged in different bases. So the first one is naphthalene. The second is anthracene. The third one is phenanthrene. Now moving on to the next one. 2 benzene rings connected to each other by a propane. And here a 5-membered ring with O group. First one is 1,3-diphenyl propane. And the second one is furan. Let's see the next structures. Here we have similar looking structures. So what are their names? The first one is imidazole. It's a 5-membered ring with 2 NH groups, 2 nitrogen groups. And the second one is a 6-membered ring with 2 nitrogen groups. It's pyrimidine. And the third one is 1 nitrogen group, which is pyridine. So these are their common names. Now moving on, here we have a ring with NH, Cn, and SO3H. The first one is pyrrole. It's called pyrrole. And the next one, a benzene with Cn, is benzonitrile. And the third one is, the one with the SO3H, is benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, moving on. Double bond O, NH2, is benzamide. The second one is benzene with 2 CH3 groups, p-silene. And the next one is ethyl benzene. Now let's see the next structures. Here we have 3 more structures. The first one, you might not be familiar with it, but it is known as cumene. It's commonly called cumene. Next one, OH and CH3, is M-cresol, and the third one is resarsenol. And now in the para position, we have OH in the first and fourth one. We have OH and double bond O. So the first one is called hydroquinone, and the next one is called B-benzoquinone. Subscribe for more videos.